Royal Navy tests Advanced Strike Missile.
Before details, please subscribe our CIS News Studio 1S channel. News details.
The Royal Navy has successfully tested the Advanced Naval Strike Missile NSM during Exercise Aegir 25 in Norway's Arctic range. HMS Somerset, a Plymouth-based frigate, launched the 400 kg missile in collaboration with Norwegian and Polish allies, marking a major step in enhancing maritime capabilities. The NSM, designed for use against warships and land targets, offers greater range and power than the older Harpoon system. UK Defence Minister Luke Pollard praised the milestone as proof of strong UK-Norway cooperation and a boost to naval deterrence. Commander Matt Millyard highlighted the professionalism and teamwork of the crew in achieving this first-of-class firing.
Do not forget to subscribe our CIS News Studio 1S channel and click the bell button to receive updated news.